welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel, and thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. If you're new into this channel, why don't you become a babe, a han, a beauty on a DIY? So guys, it's around 1:51. It's time, and guys, it's winter now. It's getting cold. It's cold in South Africa. If you didn't know, we are in South Africa, in Northwest. You guys, it's very cold here. It's around the 8th of June 2025. It's around 2 o'clock, guys. So I'm from Clicks for skincare, guys. As you can see, we're approaching winter. Our skincare, ooh, guys, our skins are changing. So yes, guys, I'm gonna show you a couple of things that I bought from Clicks, because they're gonna be in this vlog. We're gonna do the skincare together, and I want to plug you. So guys, I came across this skin collection inspired by nature. It's a Q10 wrinkle defense. So guys, I've been really wanting to try this out. I love because it's really small packs so that I can try it out. And it's a mature and a dry skin, because guys, I'm a dry skin sister. They are mini, guys, but I'll do a detailed video to show you guys how they treat me. But I'm so excited about them. And then guys, I bought this skincare collection, vitamin C brightening activity. It's a facial toner. Yo guys, I've seen these reviews for this toner. They were wonders, so I wanted to try it out. So I'm so excited. And then guys, I got 2 boxes of Brimley. The other ones I did open it already, using it, and they were 2 for 50 rands, guys. So, and then guys, here I got the tissue oil, the hair food that I normally use for my hair, that treats my hair so good. It's for vitamins. It's Kulisa, guys. You can get this at Cosmetics Connection. Yeah, normally I will stick on nails. I can't show you too much about them. And then we got our rubber bands for our hairstyle. Oh yeah, I thought this was a gel, but it's a nail polish. But anyway, I'm excited about them. We're gonna try this color. And then we also got a new top coat, so we only bought these. And then yes guys, these are only the things that I got, but I'm so excited for them. You know, I'm so excited. And I will girl lapa. So guys, we are inside the bathroom right now. We are about to do our hair care. So hi guys, there's the plug. I have a plug for you for taking care of your hair. And shampoo, I don't choose between shampoos. Like, a shampoo is a shampoo, it will wash your hair. But if you feel like you want to use a certain shampoo, it's okay. For conditioning my hair, I just found a newbie, and it's so affordable, guys. And I think most of you guys, you don't take this seriously. You've seen this. Don't tell me that you've been going up and down and then you haven't seen this. It's a cholesterol treatment with provitamin B5. Too much yellow. It will moisturize your hair. It will make your hair feel soft. It will make your hair really to feel the treatment, because it's a conditioner. After applying it and leave it for 30 minutes, you take it out, you'll feel the difference of your hair, whether you have 4C hair, whether you have relaxed hair. Try this out. So guys, for hairstyle you're gonna need kulisa hair food, and we're also gonna need our rubber bands, and then our comb, and then guys, inside here is rosemary, onion and gloves mixture, and then we sprayed on our hair for hair growth. So yes guys, let's get straight into our hairstyle. So guys, after washing my hair, I put on a wig, and then I went to Clicks to buy the skincare range things and hair products. So guys, the hairstyle of the week is koroba braids. I don't know if you know koroba braids, but if you don't, please stay tuned so that you see the hairstyle. I'm so excited about them. We're gonna still doing braids, but the braids it's all the braids that you fold. I'm a braid la uwagobayo. So I'm so excited for this hairstyle, guys. This is me prepping the hair. I'm using the darling hairpiece in the color number 1, and then I'm gonna make sure that I sew in this darling hairpiece into my hair. So I'm doing it in a knotless style so that they look very neat and stylish. And guys, we are working with 4C natural hair. You know how it is, but that conditioner that I showed you, it makes the hair so soft. So I'm gonna carry on making the blocks, and then guys, I use my rubber bands to section my hairstyle so that I can congrow very easily. When you use rubber bands first to hold your blocks, it's easier when it comes to braiding because you'll be braiding more easier. But then there are blocks, so I made them very fast, but it's not that time consuming. What's time consuming is when you come to fold your braids. That's time consuming. And then guys, I forgot to show you the wool. You're also gonna need the wool for when you fold them, and a needle. I forgot to show you that, but you'll see it. And then guys, as you can see, they are very long. I made them long so that when I fold them, they become very thick. I didn't want my balls to be like weak in cutting their kula. And then this is me guys showing you how I fold them. This is how I do it. And then you sew in your needle borukella, and then you fold and waroka, and then you fold and then waroka till to the size that you want. And then after making it to the size that you want, then you stop folding. Guys, I used 3 wools for this hairstyle, but yes. So guys, you're tired. These things, they take too long to roll and to sew in with a needle. So now I'm kind of tired. I really am tired. I just want to take a 30 minutes break, and then I'll continue to do them because yes. But I fought because at the back I tried to do them yesterday. It's only this side that is not. Yeah, it's only this side, but as long as that side is okay, then we are done. Guys, doing your hair, so nice, but it has its things, you must have energy and so much of it. So yes guys, let me go and take a break, and I'll continue after 30 minutes. So guys, for nails, I just tried to go and shop for just few colors. And then guys, what happened is that I picked wrong. I took nail polishes instead of me taking nail gels, because I went there for nail gels. And then I picked up some stick-on nails, which I will never ever even do again, because these stick-on nails guys, they are very quick to break. And then I took this, my favorite glue. And then guys, obviously I'm prepping my nails so that I want to cover this color and make it red or burgundy, but this month I just want to have burgundy nails. And then I continued, guys. I applied, I'm sure, top 4 top coats of this nail polish to 5 coats. So I needed the color rich and very neat. So I did really want to cover that drawing that was on top of those stick on nails. And then, guys, as we continue, I'm going to rub off the nails, excess oil on my nails, so that I prep my nails so that I can dehydrate them. And now it's time for us to apply our stick on nails, because baby, this winter we want to look burgundy or red, whatever that you may call it. But guys, when you come a bit closer, you can see there's a design inside, but I did apply more nail polish, so it wasn't visible anymore. You'll see the end results that I came through with it, baby. I love those nails, guys. They look cute on me. When you have burgundy or red nails, I promise you, you're gonna look rich. You're gonna look like you have your business covered. You have your own things covered. You have this life thing covered. Oh, guys. And then we're gonna apply our top coat. I went and restock on top coats, guys. My top coat was done. And then, as you can see, when we apply the top coat, we are changing the game. We are changing the game. Everything becomes clear and the nails become very, very neat. So, yes, guys, this is our red nails. Look how cute they look. They look bougie. I'm obsessed. I love them. Best set ever. So guys, let's do our foot massage and our pedicures. So guys, I'm gonna add my salt. If you have rough salt, you can use it, but I'm using my table salt, this one, bicarbonate of soda. So we're gonna set the machine based on which condition that you want, because it has heat massage, it has heat, it has only massage. So I want it to be heat massage, so it massages my feet in a very vibrant way. You'll see it, guys. And I love this machine so much, so that you don't see it moving, but inside it's making bubbles underneath for vibration, so it vibrates your feet. Like, guys, you'll feel the vibration all over your body, even going up. So this machine is very, very good. I love it. So if you buy it, you'll be investing in a very good thing. And then, guys, yeah, comment down below. It's a turmeric mask with castor oil. That is why it's so shiny, so hydrating, guys. Yes, it's my homemade food mask. So now I'm taking off my food because it's time for us to apply our sugar scrub foot mask. So guys, you can use this mask all over your body, your face and your feet. It's a very, very good mask. I'm soaking off my feet, guys, and the machine is still on, so that I remove the excess mask off, and I'm done masking my feet. And then, guys, I'm gonna do my pedicures and remove the excess oil on my feet and make sure that my feet look neat, because my nails were too grown
and my feet, I've been neglecting my feet for the past a month, and I'm not used to such things, guys. So I'm going to use my tips, my big stick ons, so they stick on my toes. They stick on my toes. So I want to make some cute pedicures. I want my feet to look a bit neat, but I'm going to use the stick ons only on the front toe, and then those other toes I don't apply nothing. I just want to shape my nails to be like neat, even though I won't take them out because I'm always wearing socks because it's winter. But for control, you'll never know what might happen, so that I'm always neat. Even my pedicures, they look neat. And then yes, guys, this nail polish really helped me, even though I was doubting the color, but I really love it. This is my toes, guys. They're done. Look how cute we look. We look cute, guys, and they are yellow, nice. I did scrub it, but
I use this dawn to moisturize my skin. I switch between the two, aqueous cream and dawn, and then I mix these two, cocoa butter and castor oil.
so guys, after a long day of doing my hair, of doing pampering myself, I just want to smell nice, and I just got out of the bath, so I just wanted to do body care and show you guys my products, my affordable products for my body care, the dawns and everything, as you can see, guys. So guys, body care is very important, self-care, whether you're feeling dumb, whether you are happy, but make sure that you take care of yourself. And thank you so much for loving me. Don't forget to like and subscribe.